IELTS vocabulary. Understanding Addle, a word for mental confusion. Have you ever felt like your brain was scrambled after a long day of studying? That foggy, confused state might be exactly what today's IELTS vocabulary word describes. We're exploring the word addle, a term that's essential for expressing mental states and cognitive processes in academic English. Word type. Addle functions primarily as a verb, though it can also be used as an adjective in its past participle form, addle. Meaning, to addle means to confuse or muddle, especially in relation to one's thinking or mental state. It implies a state of confusion, disorientation, or inability to think clearly. When something addles your brain, it's making it difficult for you to process information or make decisions effectively. Word history. The term addle has an interesting etymology. It originated from the Old English word Addle, which referred to liquid filth or urine. Over time, it evolved to describe rotten eggs, particularly those that were infertile or had gone bad. The modern usage relating to mental confusion emerged in the early 17th century, drawing a metaphorical connection between an addled egg and a muddled mind. Antonyms. Some antonyms for addle include clarify, enlighten, illuminate, and elucidate. These words all suggest bringing clarity or understanding, the opposite of the confusion implied by addle. Synonyms. Synonyms for addle include confuse, befuddle, muddle, perplex, and bewilder. These words all convey a similar sense of mental disorientation or lack of clarity. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how addle can be used in context. The constant barrage of notifications from his phone addled his concentration, making it difficult to focus on his studies. After working a 12-hour shift, Sarah felt her mind was completely addled, and she struggled to make even simple decisions. The professor's convoluted explanation only served to addle the students further, leaving them more confused than before. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing addle with addition or additive. Remember, addle relates to confusion, not mathematical operations or substances added to something. Another error is using it only in its verb form and forgetting its adjectival use. For instance, you might describe someone's thinking as addled, meaning confused or muddled. To wrap up, addle is a versatile and nuanced word that can elevate your IELTS writing and speaking responses when discussing mental states, cognitive processes, or situations involving confusion. By incorporating this word into your vocabulary, you demonstrate a sophisticated understanding of language, which is crucial for achieving that band score of 8.0. Remember, addle implies more than simple confusion. It suggests a state of mental disorientation or unclear thinking, often as a result of external factors. Use it judiciously in your IELTS tasks to showcase your lexical resource and boost your score.